Hello, folks and students. Let's welcome back another important session. Okay, so this is a scenario-based question. So it's a simple question. Probably you can able to answer very quickly if you have some experience and you are good at its system skills, or else you already preparation for an interview. Okay, the question is: assume you have 5 lines in your sales order. That means 5 line items in the sales order. Delivery already created for those lines, and post goods issue also done. That means, okay, it is due for billing. How do you delete last 2 lines for the delivery in SAP ECC or S4 HANA? This is the question actually. Okay, let me read again. So in sales order, you have a 5 lines, let's assume, and delivery got created for all 5 lines and PCA done. So suddenly they came to know that, end user, they don't want it last 2 lines. Okay, or else sometimes in a tricky way, interviewer might ask you a question like, how do you cancel last 2 lines or 3 lines? Generally, what happens, you know, it is holding by all 5 line items, your delivery document. So obviously you can say that maybe they might ask indirect question also. You can so they said that in delivery 5 lines are there. They might not say PCA not done. Okay, you have to ask that whether PCA finished or not. Okay, how do that? For this question, you have to answer. So out of 5 lines, all line items need to be reversed. Okay, this is actually interviewer expression will be there, like whether you know the reversal process or not. VL09 is the transaction. I have already explained my YouTube video. And second is that he is expecting, so so complete delivery need to be reversed. Okay, you cannot able to reverse the certain partial line items. It is not available in standard that system. Suppose you have 100 line items in that, in a particular single line. Okay, if it is open, that is different. If it is already PCI'd, all 100 line items, if you would like to delete one single partial line item, you have to reverse the total delivery. Then only you can able to do it. That could be the reason why you have a parallel scenarios. I will explain, that is different story. Okay, so that's why. So the interviewer expectation will be like how you can able to judge this scenario. Okay, so let me show you practically how it works, this one. Okay, so give me a moment. Before going ahead for practical, you can able to see this. All these are around 700 videos. I have done a lot of effort in YouTube, and if you have a collective forum to wanted to learn to become SD consultant, I am already holding 107 plus hours SD course, and apart from that, I have few important courses for pricing and everything for SD consultant. This is the place. I'm just providing these links below the video. So probably you can able to give a try of all these courses. This price is not, in a weekdays, it might varies to some 400 to 500 rupees. Okay. Even you need not buy this much price. 107 hours I have done, and 2 practical courses: getting mastered right functional specification and idoc training. These without doing these 2 courses, please don't try to adventure into the SAP. Okay, you are creating trouble for yourself. Okay, so and for pricing also I have a couple of courses. SAP SD S4 HANA advanced pricing concepts. If you want, you can able to give it a try. So I'm just providing the links below this video. Let's get into the actual topic. Okay, so here let me show you practically. I don't want to take different lines. I'll take the single line. I will show you practically how it works for you. Okay, for example, line 1, let's assume all these are the different lines or the same line. It's not a issue. So enter and take this one for another 4 quantity, and this one is for another 5 quantity. This one is there for another 3 quantity, and this one is there for another 5 quantity. You can take any quantity, you can take different materials or same materials. In this scenario, I would like to break the logic behind it. Okay, so you have taken. Okay, let's do the delivery. So probably these kind of issues have the frequency once in a year, sometimes with the users in support project. So it can be like, support ticket also. So let's do this. Okay. So let me try to copy here to here. I'm just picking all the quantity. Okay. Let's assume that as per the query, so partially it need to be cancelled line 40 and 50. If it is open, this is fine. You can able to delete here directly. But PG already done. On that case, so let's go to VA03 first and go and check the document flow. Okay. First, whenever you get a support ticket like this, so you have to check like this. And so this is the place PG done, right? So now go to VL09. Okay. Take that particular outbound delivery. Okay. This is the expectation from interviewer, whether you can able to analyze yourself, whether you can able to do the complete reversal or partial reversal. Suppose if you are in confusion, if you said that partial reversal is allowed, then you will be easily caught up. No problem. With this question only, they are not going to filter you. There might be different questions and experience. Okay, this is a simple thing actually. So out of our questions, so let's do the reversal first. Okay. So you have done you have to tell that, reverse the total delivery document and go to the VL010 of the change mode. Okay. So let's select last two line items, simply delete it. Okay. There, if you delete it, total delivery document will be deleted. You have to delete this button. Okay. So let's save this. Okay. This is how. So the answer is like, you have to do the complete reversal of the delivery document, and after that you have to do the, whatever the lines you don't want it, you can able to select and you can delete it at line level. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you so much. Jai Bharat. Have a great day. Okay, keep working, keep working. All the best.